Hello traders, Mark Chapman here. I'm the creator of the trademarked Trap Traders concept. Today I'd like to share with you my very own proprietary entry trigger, which I use to enter trading traps on a daily basis in the currency markets. What we want to see is a positive close in the direction in which we want to trade. This is a 2-candle sequence, so once we have that, we're looking for the second candle in a buy example to sell off first. At this point, our ears should be pricked, because you should fully expect that candle to flip from negative back to the open and then bullish. Once it does that, we want those bids to firm up and after a little bit of confirmation, enter the trade. Let's take a look at how that looks on this chart. As you can see, we have the first candle in the sequence. This candle, if possible, wants to represent a bullish pattern, whether it be engulfing, an outside candle, a doji, a hammer, as in this case, just to add weight to the fact that we believe prices are going to head higher. Also, pay attention to the fact that this could be the lowest candle in the sequence, meaning if that's right and this candle has a higher low, the candle that's about to present itself could make a higher low as well, and that's a swing point where prices should turn. What we want to see is the next candle to open but sell off first, creating a wick, because candles act as traps and we don't want to get caught on the wrong side of this trap. We then want prices to flip bullish from the open, but don't enter just yet. We need those bids to firm up. So price needs to make a new high, pull back, but instead of pulling back to the open or worse, go below the open, we need them to hold steady and then make a new high again. And then pull back one more time, hold steady, and as it starts to go up, enter the market as soon as you can, placing a stop below the structure. So this is great. As price starts to sell off, it flips. Hopefully it's put in its low, which means that's a low surrounded by 2 higher lows, which is a definition of a swing. With any luck, we don't get caught on the wrong side as those bids firm up. You see how we're holding and then it may vanish. We want to see price put in a new high and hold those bids. So this is looking pretty good. So we can enter the market here and go into trade management mode. I hope you find this entry trigger extremely valuable, and if you'd like to learn how we use it in conjunction with my trading traps, then click the button below to join me for my live trade room. Have a great day and I'll see you there.